As we cross the milestone of 60, one of the biggest concerns most people face is the gradual decline of vision. Reading small text becomes harder, driving at night feels challenging, and even enjoying the simple beauty of nature may not be as clear as it once was. While many blame aging alone, the truth is that your eyes can stay sharp and healthy for much longer if you give them the right nutrients and support. Just like your heart and bones, your eyes depend on essential vitamins and minerals to repair damage, fight free radicals, and maintain strong vision as you age. Unfortunately, most people ignore this fact until it's too late. The modern lifestyle, combined with processed foods and nutrient deficiencies, makes it even harder for your eyes to get what they need. But here's the good news. Science shows that by adding just a few specific vitamins into your nightly routine, you can actually help your eyes repair themselves while you sleep. That's right, your body goes into recovery mode at night, and with the right nutrients you can strengthen your vision, reduce dryness, protect against macular degeneration, and even improve low-light eyesight. This is not about expensive surgeries or complicated treatments. Instead, it's about giving your body the simple, natural tools it already needs. In this discussion, we'll reveal 3 powerful vitamins that work quietly while you rest, helping you wake up with eyes that feel refreshed and supported. If you're over 60 and worried about your eyesight, this might be one of the most important changes you can make for your long-term vision health. When we think about aging, we often prepare ourselves for wrinkles, slower movement, or weaker joints, but very few prepare for the reality of fading eyesight. Imagine this. You are sitting with your grandchildren, trying to read them a bedtime story, and the letters on the page blur together. Or you step outside on a beautiful evening, and instead of seeing the sharp outlines of trees and stars, everything feels hazy and dim. For many people over 60, this isn't just imagination. It's daily life. But what if the answer wasn't found in stronger glasses or endless visits to the optometrist, but instead in the quiet power of vitamins working while you sleep? Your eyes, just like the rest of your body, don't shut down when you go to bed. They go into recovery mode. Think of it like a repair shop that opens up at night, fixing the wear and tear caused during the day. Every time you blink, read, or look at screens, your eyes face tiny stresses, oxidative damage, strain, and even small injuries to the cells. During the night, when your body rests, your eyes begin restoring themselves, but here's the catch: they need the right fuel. Without certain vitamins, the repair shop struggles. It's like sending workers to fix a broken house without any tools. One of the most important vitamins that your eyes crave at night is vitamin A. This isn't just a nutrient, it's the key to seeing clearly in low light. Many people over 60 complain about poor night vision, difficulty adjusting when lights are dim, or trouble driving after sunset. That's because vitamin A is directly responsible for helping the retina function properly in darkness. Without it, your eyes cannot produce the pigments needed for night vision. Imagine walking into a dark room and waiting forever for your eyes to adjust. That's what happens when vitamin A levels are low. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and liver are rich in this vitamin, but many diets today lack these essential sources. When taken before sleep, vitamin A works quietly through the night, feeding the retina and helping your eyes regenerate the pigments needed for clear vision, especially when the lights go out. Now, picture yourself waking up in the morning with less eye dryness. That's another benefit of vitamin A. It helps keep the cornea healthy. The cornea is the clear front part of your eye, and without enough vitamin A, it can dry out, leading to discomfort, blurred vision, and even more serious issues over time. So when you give your body this nutrient before bed, you're not just supporting night vision, you're protecting the very surface of your eyes from damage. But vitamin A is only one piece of the puzzle. As we age, oxidative stress becomes one of the biggest threats to our eyesight. Every single day, your eyes are exposed to blue light from screens, UV rays from the sun, and even free radicals created by metabolism. These unstable molecules slowly damage the cells in your eyes, leading to macular degeneration, cataracts, and general vision decline. This is where vitamin C steps in like a powerful shield. Most people know vitamin C as the immune-boosting vitamin that helps fight colds, but very few realize how critical it is for eye health. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects the delicate blood vessels in your eyes and strengthens the connective tissues that hold them together. When taken at night, vitamin C goes to work repairing oxidative damage, neutralizing harmful free radicals, and reinforcing the collagen in your cornea and sclera. It's almost like giving your eyes a protective armor while they rest. Studies even show that people who consume more vitamin C have a significantly lower risk of cataracts as they age. Think about cataracts, the cloudy lens that steals away sharp vision. They don't happen overnight. They slowly build up over years of oxidative stress and protein damage. By taking vitamin C regularly, you're helping prevent that slow clouding, keeping your lenses clearer for longer. And what's beautiful about vitamin C is that it works in harmony with other antioxidants. At night, when your body is healing, vitamin C not only repairs but also recharges other vitamins, making them more effective. And then comes the third powerful nutrient, vitamin E. If vitamin A is the light switch for night vision, and vitamin C is the shield against damage, vitamin E is like the bodyguard protecting your eyes from long-term degeneration. This fat, soluble vitamin embeds itself into the very membranes of your eye cells, guarding them against oxidative stress. Think of vitamin E as the firefighter that rushes in whenever free radicals threaten to burn through your eye tissues. For people over 60, vitamin E is especially important because it helps slow down age-related macular degeneration, which is one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. The macula is the small, central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision, like reading, recognizing faces, or threading a needle. Without protection, the macula weakens over time, making the world blurrier and more frustrating. But with enough vitamin E, you're giving your macula the strength it needs to stay healthy. Now imagine the combination of these three vitamins, C, and A, working together while you sleep. Vitamin E feeds your retina for night vision and cornea health. Vitamin C repairs oxidative damage and strengthens your eye's support structures. Vitamin E defends your cells from free radical attacks and preserves your central vision. Together they form a powerful team, each with its own role, but united in the mission of keeping your eyesight clear, strong, and vibrant. It's not about taking massive doses or complicated supplements. In fact, even small, consistent amounts can make a big difference over time. Many people dismiss vitamins as just nutrients, but research shows that deficiencies in these exact vitamins are linked to severe vision problems, from night blindness to cataracts to macular degeneration. By giving your body what it needs before bedtime, you're aligning your supplement routine with your body's natural repair cycle. There's also a psychological benefit. Knowing that you're actively taking steps to protect your eyes can give you peace of mind. Instead of fearing the future and wondering when your eyesight might fail, you wake up each morning with confidence that you are supporting your body's natural defenses. You don't have to feel helpless against aging. These small actions add up to big results. Picture yourself a few months from now, sitting in your living room, picking up a book and reading the words without straining. Imagine enjoying a family dinner without having to squint at the faces around the table. Or stepping outside at dusk, watching the sky turn from gold to deep purple, and actually seeing the stars sparkle instead of fading into a blurry haze. That's the gift these three vitamins can give you. Of course, vitamins alone cannot replace a healthy lifestyle. They work best when combined with habits like eating fresh vegetables, reducing processed food, staying hydrated, and protecting your eyes from excessive screen time. But as you cross 60, Supplements become more important because your body doesn't absorb nutrients as efficiently as it used to. This means even if you're eating a fairly healthy diet, you may still not be getting enough. That's why focusing on targeted vitamins at night is such a smart and effective step. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't need complicated prescriptions or expensive treatments. You simply add 3 essential vitamins to your nightly routine and allow your body to do the rest while you sleep. Every morning becomes not just another day, but an opportunity to see the world a little clearer, sharper, and more vibrantly than before. So, when you think about your eyes and your future vision, remember this: aging may be natural, but losing your sight doesn't have to be inevitable. With vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, you can give your eyes the exact nutrients they need to repair, restore, and stay strong, even as the years go by. The choice is simple, yet the impact can be life-changing. Reaching the age of 60 and beyond doesn't mean surrendering your vision to time. Your eyes may have carried you through decades of memories, experiences, and everyday moments, but they still have so much more to see. The truth is, vision decline is not an unavoidable fate. It's often the result of neglecting the very nutrients your eyes crave. By simply supporting your body with the right vitamins at night, you can allow nature to work its magic while you sleep. Think about it. Every evening when you close your eyes, your body enters a phase of deep repair. Cells regenerate, tissues restore, and your eyes, those delicate windows to the world, use the opportunity to heal from daily strain. With vitamin A, you strengthen your ability to see in low light and protect the cornea. With vitamin C, you build a shield against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cataracts. And with vitamin E, you guard your central vision against degeneration, preserving the sharpness you rely on to read, recognize loved ones, and enjoy the details of life. This isn't about complicated treatments or costly procedures. It's about giving your eyes the simple, powerful support they deserve, something you can start tonight. Small, consistent steps add up, and months from now, you could notice clearer mornings, sharper evenings, and greater comfort throughout the day. So don't wait for blurry words on a page or dimming colors in the sunset to remind you of what you've lost. Take action now while you still can. Protect your vision, repair your eyes, and embrace the future with confidence. After all, the gift of sight is one of life's greatest blessings. Make sure you hold on to it for as long as possible.